in, and they are waiting the green flag, I think, to let everybody get back out there, and then they'll be able to take that. Rolex 24 to begin the year, the second race of the year, which was down at the Circuit of the Americas. Turner Motorsports, number 94, the BMW. And then Stevenson Motorsports, one, we mentioned this earlier, has won the last two races in the GT category with that Camaro GTR. So it has been kind of a shake-up there, different winners for the most part, although Stevenson has been on a roll the last two races, but completely different outlook here in Detroit. Motorsports. Alvareza is on board there. That car so far,